Okay, time to take a look at the Chafon 4-in-1 fast charge data cable. It's kind of cool. They actually come with a Velcro strap too, so you can kind of strap this guy up. But I've tried these things before, and these things are awesome. So what's cool about it, there's this cap here on the end that comes off, and then these are magnetic. So they kind of stick together. So it all kind of holds itself in one place, which I think is very convenient. And you can see on the top, we got a USB-A and an Apple plug. What's cool about this is that this just kind of disconnects. We got a USB-C, and we got the exact same thing on this side. So what that means is we could use an Apple or we could use an Android phone, and we could plug that into our laptop, or we could plug it into any kind of USB-A port. So this is a very nice cable. Like having that kind of adaptability, and especially these metal ends, like these are actually metal and magnetic and flat cables. This is the nicest, most adaptable style of cable that I've ever found. So these things are cool. This one in particular is extra cool because the cable is actually 6 feet long. So the one that I tried was much shorter, and it's great, and it's great for like putting next to your laptop or something like that. But if you need something that's adaptable, but you also want to be able to take it like on vacation, you want to be able to charge your phone while you're using it, this is the cable you want. So let's try using it just as a charger. There we go. We are charging. And then if we want to go USB-C, so we are charging, and let's see if we are connected. Yep, there's the phone right there. So not only charging, but also data. So if I want to copy files from my phone to my laptop, I can do that with this cable. And on top of that, having a long 6-foot cable just gives you a lot more room to maneuver. So if you got to like plug it into the back of a computer or something like that, this is going to make your life a lot easier. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice cable.